Landon.
That's on the pop there.
Jimmy, I'll put you on YouTube.
Don't you want to? Then American Idol will see you. Stop. Don't you want American Idol to see you? Well, now he wants to dance. With that face, we'll probably get
Alright, you got nothing.
Oh,
Say hi.
Jimmy got that face.
Look.
Enough with the chips.
Put the chips down. Didn't your mom just tell you? Why does she have to keep repeating herself? Give me the chips, man. Put the chips down.
Back. Enough chips.
You want these?
Jim,
There.
Dan, don't you dare. He just spit in them. He just spit in them.